The box season is upon us, and if you're heading to the DHL Stadium on Saturday to watch the Springboks take on the Barbarians, dress warmly. We've got another front sliding over the coast this weekend with light rain expected on Saturday. Mainly cloudy conditions with still a 50% chance of more light rain into the evening, so remember that raincoat. Good luck, boys. It's now up to you to warm our hearts and to bring the heat. What's the weather looking like the rest of the country this weekend? Let's see. Our synoptic analysis clearly showing that winter is in full swing with more than one cold front currently affecting South Africa. And as I've mentioned, the next one sliding over the southwestern coast on Saturday. We're expecting light showers over the southwestern regions and also windy conditions along the coast and icy frosty weather behind the fronts over the interior of South Africa. Most of the light rain on Saturday falling over the southwestern regions with isolated to scattered showers and a slight chance of a few drops of morning drizzle falling in parts of Limpopo, but it's most likely going to be mainly cloudy weather. Into Sunday, as that front slides over the coast, we're mainly expecting some drizzle here along the southern coastline and a few light showers likely over Nelson Mandela Bay as well as over Buffalo City and surrounding regions. Out of the front, we are expecting northwesterly winds to blow fresh here in parts of the Karoo, also fresh along the coast and strong offshore, but light winds on Saturday over the interior, which means frosty conditions if the winds are light and extremely cold weather. Behind the fronts, we're expecting a moderate onshore flow to spread along the coast and then berg winds picking up over the western parts on Sunday and then turning northwesterly over the interior on Monday, causing berg winds for the southern coastline and another moderate breeze picking up along the coast ahead of the next cold front arriving on Thursday. The biggest danger this weekend is actually the extremely frosty conditions we are expecting over the interior of the country, the same that we've seen on Friday morning. Dangerous frost in parts of the Free State, the Highveld, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Northwest, the Northern Cape and the Karoo, with temperatures plummeting below freezing level and icy cold -4 in Bloemfontein, Kimberley, as well as Bethlehem. Only 1 in Johannesburg, but below freezing on a Saturday morning over the southern regions of Gauteng, like in Vereniging. -1 in Appington. These are dangerous conditions for vulnerable crops and livestock, so please just be prepared and take precautionary measures. Looking at your maximum temperatures, is still quite icy across the country. You'll feel that bite in the air. Temperatures are battling to recover. Only in the mid-teens over the interior on Saturday. The sun will shine, but it will still be quite cold with only 14 in Bloemfontein as well as Johannesburg, Cape Town and Worcester. Temperatures around 20 degrees for the east coast and below 20 in the northern Cape, just above 20 in parts of the Lowveld. Another frosty morning on Sunday morning, so as mentioned, be prepared. Temperatures are going to quickly plummet overnight below freezing level in parts of the Karoo, the Northern Cape, Northwest Free State, Gauteng, Mpumalanga and the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Into Sunday afternoon, the sun shining brightly and temperatures are really battling to recover. Only a few degrees warmer in the mid to upper teens over the interior of South Africa. It's quite chilly over the coastal regions, but warmer now in the Lowveld with a high of 27 degrees in Skukuza. Another frosty morning on Monday for Lesotho, surrounding regions, the Free State, yet again Northwest Gauteng and Mpumalanga, but at least not as widespread as the weekend. And the maximum temperatures are also now starting to recover in the east and the north. 23 expected in Appington, and those berg winds heating up the southern coastline also expected in the mid-20s as well as along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me. Good luck, boys. Stay warm, South Africa, and see you next week.